Hey guys, happy Monday, May 4th. Okay, so this week is going to look pretty different, and I'm going to go over why right now. And I'm also going to show you where you can find all the information about the changes for the week. So, three big things are going on this week, okay? One, starting today, you will be taking your iReady Math Diagnostic, your last one of the year. You took one in August, you took one after Christmas break, and this will be your last one just to see where your math level is at the end of fourth grade to get ready for fifth grade. You will also start today testing your F&P level on Literally. If you don't remember what that was, around Christmas time before Christmas break, you guys all tested out your F&P levels using the online program here. It's on your Launchpad called Literally, and it was where you did the test, like instead of doing it with me like you did at the beginning of the year, instead of reading to me, you were reading to the computer and it recorded your reading, and then you would answer some questions after. And a lot of you went up levels, and I am expecting so many of you to go up again just since December. So we're going to start that today too. However, this is the most important part. You're not doing any of this on your own today. For the Math iReady Diagnostic, you're going to do it with your math teacher today as you get on their Zoom at 10:30 a.m. Let me repeat that. You have to get on your math teacher's Zoom today at 10:30 a.m. Have to. And they are going to go over where the Math iReady Diagnostic is, how long you have to do it, and how to do it at home if, you need extra support. So that's today in the morning. Then in the afternoon, to start testing your F&P levels on Literally, you're going to get on your homeroom reading teacher, which for all of you, it's me. You're going to get on my reading Zoom today at 1 p.m. Everyone, even if you're in Miss Carmela's reading class, you're going to do it with me. I'm going to walk you through by sharing my screen today at 1 p.m. how to get to Literally, how to do the test and all that, how much time you have. You will not be doing any iReady reading right now. Any iReady reading today. Do not log on to iReady Reading because it will have you start your diagnostic, and we don't want you starting today. So don't get on iReady Reading, okay? The only things you should be doing before you get on your math teacher Zoom at 10:30 is Reflex, and for reading, you have a ReadWorks assigned to you. That's it. Don't get on iReady Math till 10:30 a.m. this morning with your math teacher, and don't get on iReady Reading today at all. Okay, I'm going to show you where you can find all this information as well in case you don't remember what I'm saying on this video. So here we are on my Google Classroom page. You're going to click on classwork as usual. Everything's always found under the classwork tab right here. Okay, and then this is week 7. So I have our daily announcements section now. I'm breaking up each daily announcements by week as well. So Monday, May 4th announcements. Okay, click on that. And I typed everything out I just said. So happy Monday. It's an important week. Our schedule's looking a little different. Starting today, you'll be taking your final iReady Math Diagnostic online with your math teacher. Do not get on iReady Math until 10:30 a.m. when you join your math teacher's Zoom meeting. I've attached a file below with all of the math teacher's Zoom links and passwords. If you go right here, there's a document called Zoom Meeting Links. I also have made a Zoom meeting schedule for the whole week. So if you click on that, it shows you when the Zooms are, but it gets you the links for the how to get to them. Okay, please get on your math teacher Zoom today at 10:30 a.m. You must get on my reading homeroom Zoom today at 1 p.m. for directions on how to take the F&P test, the Literally test on your reading level. Okay, this includes Miss Carmela's students too. Okay, please actually take the time today to look at these 5 things. Okay, they're not long to read. They're actually more visual. As always, I've created my slide for today to tell you what to do for today. So if you look, it says what to do for math. Get on your math Zoom with your math teacher at 10:30. Get ready to take the iReady Math Diagnostic together. Have a pencil and paper to be prepared. So I just repeated it here. For writing, you do have a journal entry, the same thing you've been doing. And you can find that in a second. I'll show you. For reading, do not get on iReady Reading today. Complete your ReadWorks, and then join me at 1 p.m. for your reading Zoom. Okay? Also, I put this right here. Stop, read this. Just another reminder about your math iReady today. Okay? So that's that. Then this is the schedule link that I've made. This is a little file with the schedule for when your Zooms are this week. So if you can see, I've put the dates at the top this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. For the subject of math, when all those Zooms are, same time every day, 10:30 to 11. And for reading, this week all homeroom must be on. There's no reading groups this week with just everything going on. So everybody should be on. And actually it's not till 2 p.m. It's just going to be till about 1:30 at least the first 2 days, because literally it's not as long. So let me just change that while we're here. All right, sweet. And that'll be changed for you guys. And then if you guys like that calendar we've been creating, or your parents do, for on-level math, here's your calendar that breaks up by subject and all of this. So has the dates and then the subjects and what to do. And there's the same one for advanced math, which is pretty similar this week. What I wanted to show you is where you can find your writing journal. So if you're looking for any read works this week, you can find them in Digital Learning Resources Week 7. Still got our morning meeting posts. You'll have updated specials assignments. I'll get on that. But your writing journal is going to be, let me just drag it up here. Watch this. Watch and learn. Your writing journal will be in Digital Learning Resources Week 7, right there. All right. Please watch this video. It's very helpful today. If you have any questions, ask me on Google Classroom or have your parents email me, but everybody should be on their math teacher Zoom at 10:30 today, and everyone should be on my reading Zoom today at 1 p.m. Okay? See y'all then. Bye.